Got another Juice WRLD lesson for you from his new album, Legends Never Die. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Wishing Well. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Enjoy! So for the intro and verse of this song, we're doing a riff. It starts on the 9th fret of the G string, then 10th fret G string, then 10th fret D string, then 14th fret G string, then 9th fret G string again, then 9th fret G string, 10th fret G string, 10th fret D string, and then you're just going to stay on the 10th fret of the G or the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. So for the pre-chorus riff, we're going to be doing an arpeggio on a C chord. So for this, you're going to start on the 12th fret of the G string, then 13th fret B string, then 12th fret high E, 15th fret B string, 13th fret B string, 12th fret G string, 13th fret B string, 12th fret high E, 15th fret B string, 13th fret B string, 12th fret G string, 14th fret G string, 13th fret B string, 12th fret G string, 13th fret B string, and then 12th fret B string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a C major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 8th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string. Next is a D minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 10th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 12th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 12th fret of the D string. Next is an A minor bar chord. So you're going to bar the 5th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the D string. And then last is a F major bar chord. So you're going to bar the 8th fret from the A string with your pointer finger, and you're also going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 10th fret with your ring finger. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Wishing Well. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.